everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have the Mystical Twilight box from Cricut. This is a new mystery box released today. They did send this to me so that I can show you what's inside. So you can click the link below and click the link below, buy it, and come back and watch the rest of this tutorial. I don't know, let's see what's inside. Let's make something fun. I can tell you it is access exclusive and includes this beautiful, I have no clue what color it is, Cricut Cutie that we will check out last. But absolutely, actually let's check it out first so you can go and run and get your own before they sell out. Pretty blue, look at that. So this is the true blue color. And she is bright, look at her. Gorgeous. Okay, go get it. It just released right now if you're seeing this brand new video, and then come back and then let's finish. Hold on. I'll wait. Go ahead. Okay, you're back, right? You went and bought it and now you're back. The links below are affiliate links, of course. No cost to you. I get a small tiny percentage by you using the link. But anyways, let's see what's inside. This is a pretty jam-packed box this time. So we have some Linerless transfer tape. It is Cricut Joy size, but of course if you don't have a Cricut Joy, you can just put it on a mat. It's transfer tape. You don't need to put it on a mat. Just cut with scissors and transfer. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, Linerless transfer tape, the Joy size. We have permanent markers. This is a blue, a red, and green. These suckers are big. So these do not fit in the Cricut Joy. You can tell just by the size of them. We have, ooh, aluminum sheets. Compatible with infusible ink. I haven't used this one before, so maybe this is what we should play with. It says, make engraving panels for wall art, keepsake cards, framed creations, and more. Metallic base color creates a stunning contrast when engraved. And it does say use with infusible ink, so there's a lot of fun we can have with this. Let's see what they look like. I imagine there's going to be a protection on it. Yeah. Look at that. So that can be fun. Let's see what else. We have an extra large t-shirt, unisex t-shirt blank. Can use it with infusible ink. It is gray, so they're just not as vibrant because there's no white behind it. Infusible ink is transparent, but you can still get some really cool effects with that. Then we have the Cricut Premium Vinyl Removable Matte in the color gold. Then adhesive foil. It's red. I say it like that because I'm trying to read it at the same time and see if it's a variety pack or if it's just red. It's just red. A lot of times they send variety packs, so that's why I was curious. And then permanent glossy in ultraviolet. That's a pretty color. And then we have holographic sparkle iron-on 6-pack. Ooh. That sounds fun. Let's see what colors are in here. Woo! Look at that. We've got blue, green, I missed one, red, gold, silver, and pink. Ooh, I love that pink. Pink and blue. And that's iron-on, so that'll be a lot of fun. So hopefully you got your package already. I'm going to do a tutorial, so let me figure out what we're going to do and I'll be back. Wanted to show it to you all together. Look, Vanna White. Gorgeous box. Here it is in all its glory. Let's start with Cricut Help. So this article actually shows you everything you need to know about using these aluminum sheets. I've never actually used one before, so I wanted to review the full list before I started. So here it is. Slow it down or pause it if you want to read it, or just go to help.cricut.com and check out, search for aluminum, and you'll be able to go through it. And lots of good information here, and I'm definitely going to follow this guide as I go. Jumping to Cricut Design Space, you pick your image, and it says to do a shape. That's the shape of your item that you're going to be etching on. And then you want to align them and switch them both to engrave. You're not going to attach it because you actually don't want it to engrave the shape. You're just going to use it on the next step. So here I'm using the Cricut help to actually walk me through each piece. So next thing we're going to do on the next page is we're going to put the square at the 1 inch mark, and then we're going to align our image inside the square. I guess it's a rectangle, sorry, inside the rectangle for wherever you want. It does tell you to be careful about the placement, try not to put anything near the edge of the mat, pretty typical stuff, but in this case it doesn't want you to be cut off on the mat because of using it on the edge. So it just recommends putting it at the 1 inch point. Once you've got it placed where you want it, you're going to use the 3 dots in the left hand corner, and you're going to hide the back object. What that's going to do is it's not going to cut that part. So you want to make sure that it only cuts the part that you're looking for. Once you've got all that done, you're going to continue, and then you're going to prep, unless you already have prepped, your materials. So for the materials, you're actually going to want a strong grip mat. Unlike me, I only had standard grip mats. You're going to want a engraving tip and quick swap housing. And this works with the Maker, Cricut Maker 3, the material, and then in the help screen it recommends using painter's tape just to smooth out the edges. So I definitely use that, and then these have a plastic coating on them, so I'm going to peel up the plastic coating on both sides before I put it in the machine. Here we go. I'm gonna put it in the machine and let it do its thing. I'll speed this up just a little for you. And here it is, straight off the machine. I'm going to use some painter's tape to get rid of some of those aluminum shavings. A few other suggestions. Cricut.help does suggest painting it before if you want to, or using dry erase marker and then wiping it off after. I didn't find, normally I would use an acrylic paint pen. I didn't find that that worked very well. So I'm going to try this Woody 3-in-1 by Stabilo crayon. And it actually works really well. Of course, I need to get away from the wet wipe, but a little bit of moisture helped a lot with the crayon, but just a clean dry cloth to buff out the pieces from where I don't want it colored. Basically, I'm just trying to get the color to go down into the line to kind of enhance it a little bit. I know that takes away a little bit of the engraving effect, but I really like how this turns out. Let me know what you think in the comment box below, and as always, thanks so much for watching.